Tired of sending emails one by one? Let's unlock the power of mass emails in Follow-Up Boss. First, head to the People section in your Follow-Up Boss account. This is where you'll segment your audience. Use the filters to narrow down your recipients based on tags, stage, assigned user, or any other criteria you have set up in your system. For example, you might want to send an email only to leads tagged as beer, and in the nurturing stage, once you have selected your filter, it will show you the total number of contacts it has selected. Next, select all the contacts you want to include in your email blast. Click the checkbox at the top to select all contacts that match your current filter. Now, from the Bulk Actions menu, choose Send Email. Now, you will see an email composer window here. Craft your message. Be sure to personalize it by using merge fields like first name to make it more engaging. You can add images, links, and customize the formatting. Don't forget to add a compelling subject line. This is the first thing recipients will see and greatly influences open rates. Test out a few variations to see which ones perform best. Before hitting send, review your email one last time. Then, choose whether to send it immediately or schedule it for later. Scheduling is fantastic for reaching people at optimal times. Finally, hit send or schedule, and just like that, your mass email is on its way. Now you can efficiently communicate with your leads and clients in Follow-Up Boss.